What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while. It's been a long, cold winter, but now the sun's actually peeking its ugly mug back out. And yeah, we washed the trucks once all winter. They've been sitting. The 6.0 has ran. This truck has not, because I left the Bluetooth box connected to the headlights, so we just put batteries in both of them. So yeah, we're gonna give you guys some cold starts to start off the defrost from spring to, you know, welcoming spring towards the end of winter. Let's do some cold starts on these things. So we got the 7.3. It's a built IDI, no turbo yet, but on the fuel side of things, there's so many custom parts and everything else that's upgraded to the absolute maximum they can be. We'll get into that at a later date. You guys leave comments and stuff like that if you guys are interested in learning more about this truck. Yeah, a lot of work has been done to this thing. Even, I mean, you can tell certain things are a little different. Don't mind this cluster fuck of wires, but you could tell certain things have been done, yet some of it looks basically stock. So yeah, this is a full e-fuel setup on this truck. And then we have the 6.0, which was the obviously main focus of the year, last year, and the year before that. So we just got this back. It got crushed in a tornado. We got this back February of 2020 or 2021, I believe. So we just got this back. Obviously, you guys saw it down at AC, and it's sat here ever since. So this obviously was the focus the rest of the time. This was the original truck that was supposed to go down to the AC truck show. Obviously, we did not make it happen, but this year we are, and we are just getting started on this thing. So yeah, we'll cold start the, we're gonna do the old girl first, because this is gonna be interesting. It has not run all winter. The batteries have been sitting here dead. I didn't feel like screwing around with it, but now we're gonna, so. Yeah, so we'll give you a cold start on both of them. We'll let them run a little bit. It's like decent temps outside, so should be interesting. She lives, always does. Bleeding out some of the air with the low idle mode. Hasn't even cranked at all. Batteries have been dead for so long. But that's her. Sound clips. And yes, we did polish the back plate. We'll give you some revs on this girl. Then we'll fire up the 6 liter. So, here goes nothing. Still gotta do a lot to this big. Still gotta do a lot to this thing before AC this summer, but hopefully we'll pop out to a couple shows in the beginning of the year. But we're still going through it. We're still finishing some little stuff up. Still gotta put a windshield in, tin it, then get the lift installed, powder coat more stuff. Body work, some certain body work panels that I wasn't able to fix myself, I gotta send and have done. But oh yeah. Almost springtime, baby. Almost time to hit the streets again. I can't wait.